Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC, then ground yourself to protect components. Once the side panel is off, identify the front panel audio connector and rear 3.5 mm jacks on the I/O shield. This directs your work. Examine the jack assembly and motherboard header closely. Look for bent pins, cracked plastic, or cold solder joints. If you see debris, use compressed air. If wires are loose, gently tug to confirm connectivity before proceeding to repairs. Now you remove the faulty jack, unscrew the front panel bracket, or open the I/O shield for the rear jack. Once exposed, desolder any cracked joints and reflow with fresh solder and flux to restore conductivity. This fixes intermittent audio due to cold joints. If the plastic jack or cable is damaged, swap in an identical replacement, matching tip/ring/sleeve wiring. Make sure connectors seat fully and cables route without strain. This prevents future breaks and preserves signal integrity. Reassemble the case, reconnect power, and boot the PC. Then open sound settings to select the correct playback device and confirm levels. You should test both front and rear jacks with at least 2 headsets or speakers to rule out headphone faults. If audio still fails, inspect Device Manager for disabled or missing audio drivers and update or reinstall them. If hardware remains problematic, use a simple USB sound adapter to isolate the issue. This is a quick fallback that proves whether the jack or the audio chipset is faulty.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.